what is your best advice for manifestation? That is a great question. Manifestation is tricky, right? Like sometimes it flows so easily and sometimes it can feel a little bit blocked. My best advice is focus on what is. So if we're waiting on something to come in and we're focusing on the lack of it, it really slows it down, right? And if you're manifesting a new car and every day you open up your garage and that new car is not parked there, that can be disappointing and that can, make it feel like "Ugh, I'm a terrible manifester or my manifestations never come to fruition." What I invite you to do instead is when you open up that garage or whatever it is, and see that that car is not there, picture what it's going to look like once it gets there. Think about the feeling you're going to feel once you open this door and see something new. Really focusing on those things instead of this, why isn't it here yet, is a simple trick, but really effective in my opinion. If we're asking, are we there yet? Every 5 minutes on a road trip, that road trip is going to feel like it takes forever. But if we just try and forget about how long it's taking and enjoy the music and the scenery and how crazy the other drivers look, it can go a lot faster. So focus on the things that are fun, focus on the things that are positive and that are all around you. And I think with manifestation too, a lot of times we can get frustrated if we're not at like the end result, right? Like we want this giant dream and we don't have it yet. It's important to check in though about what progress you've made. So maybe you're halfway there now, or maybe you're 75% there and you started at zero. So congratulations, your manifestation is working. Pat yourself on the back for that. Show some gratitude for that. And then that's going to help to push you toward the finish line even faster.